Hey guys, so it's almost 7:40 in the morning, 7:37, and I'm putting gas in. I have to be at work by 8 o'clock, so yeah, that's what's going on. Today's Friday, and it's gonna feel weird going back to work, but I'm definitely not ready for it. It was definitely nice sleeping in a lot. But yeah, so I will see you guys later. Okay guys, I just got to work. I'm like 10 minutes early, which that's fine because I'm never really this early. But yeah, so I go to lunch at 1 o'clock, so I'll see you guys at that time. This is literally how my morning goes every morning. Hi guys, I just got off work and it's 5:11. Whew. I would have been in my car like 5 minutes ago, but I left my grocery list at my desk. So I'm gonna go to Walmart right now and grab some groceries. Yeah, this is my life. Just wanted to catch you guys up. This is my work life. I literally just go work. Maybe I'll do like a day in the life at work or something tomorrow, because I'm gonna be in work tomorrow, so that's gonna be fun. But yeah, so I'm gonna go to the grocery store and then go home, make dinner, and I'll see you guys when I get home. Hi guys, so I just got home. It's 7:10. I got off of work at 5 and I was at the grocery store literally all day. So annoying. I hate being at the grocery store, but we need groceries. Anyways, I just wanted to do a quick grocery haul for you guys. We got a lot of stuff for the week, and we're kind of on a budget right now, so we're just gonna try and make it work. But yeah, let me show you everything we got. Okay, we'll start off over here. I got 2 of these juices, Gatorade biscuits, this Marie Callender's like pasta, Honey Nut Cheerios for Madison, cheese sticks for Maddie, she loves cheese sticks, hot Cheetos for me, macaroni and cheese, beef broth for a soup I'm making, spaghetti noodles, tomato sauce, some Kraft sandwich, Kraft sandwich cheese. I can't talk. Shredded cheese, 2 things of this roast beef. No, I got roast beef and then turkey. Some corn. What are these called? Hash browns. Some broccoli. These famous seasoned fries. Hamburger meat patties. Chicken nuggets for Madison. Chocolate chip waffles for Maddie. Some green beans. More broth. Bananas. Cherries. Marinara sauce. Another fruit drink. Pinto beans. Spaghetti roasted garlic sauce, lettuce, tomato, spinach. Cutie tangerine oranges. Or I think these are just tangerines. Yeah. Lemons for lemon water. Zucchini for zucchini noodles. Potatoes. Sausage for breakfast. A pot roast. And chicken breast. Got 2 ice creams. This one's Spumoni, which is my absolute favorite. They serve this at Texas Roadhouse in Rocky Road. Everything bagels for work. Eggs. Some bread rolls for meatball subs that I'm making tonight for dinner. Italian style meatballs. Jumbo ice cream cups or cones or whatever. Hamburger patties, hamburger buns, regular bread, this Starbucks drink. Then I I wanted to show you guys the rest of the stuff I got from Target. So I got Maddie some new dishware, this violet bowl for like her fruits or cereal, and this cute little cup, a plate. These were like 59 cents each, and they're pretty. And then another plate. And then I got her another cup, of course. I'm trying to get her off of like the ones that look like sippy cups just because she doesn't need those anymore. So I'm getting her the ones with the straw now. So I got her this. And it's so cute. It has like, this is Adventure into the Woods. Then I needed a new razor, so I got this one. It comes with like, so I already have one of these, but the blades all ran out or whatever. But you might as well just buy a new one because the replacements are like literally $15, like $15, and this was like $10. So I was like, might as well just buy a brand new one. So I got this one. This is like my favorite razor ever. I definitely recommend this. Like I never get cut. It like shaves my legs so perfectly. Like you cannot feel any prickiness after, or my legs don't like show any razor burns or anything. I really love this razor. This is definitely my favorite one. Then I just got reusable straws. Then, you know, I got some pads. Some Dove body wash for me because I ran out. This is like my favorite scent. This one and the cucumber one. But this one is like by far my favorite. Some EOS shaving cream. Suave men's stuff. This is for Josh. And then I got some new dish sets. So hopefully nobody uses these. I'm going to hang them right here. These ones already got pretty much damaged, and I'm like really OCD about it. So like I don't like these waffle ones because once they stretch, you can't put them back to normal. So yeah, I'm going to exchange those out. Okay guys, here they are on. Alright guys, I am beat. It's already it's already gonna be 8 o'clock, so I'm gonna just eat dinner and go to bed. If you guys enjoyed this vlog, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.